In this video, we're going to be exploring the basic command structure in Linux. Understanding how commands are structured is fundamental to effectively using the command line. This video will explain command syntax, options, and arguments. Linux commands follow a consistent structure. Each command generally consists of three parts: the command name, options, and arguments. The command name is the action that you want to perform. Options modify how the command works, influencing its behavior. Arguments specify what the command should act upon. Let's look at some examples. The command ls with the option la and the argument /home/user. Another example, cp with the option r and the arguments file.txt and backup /. A third example, the command grep with the option I, the argument search term, and the argument file.txt. Let's delve deeper into the command name. The command name is essentially an executable program or a built-in shell command. Command names are usually lowercase and descriptive, making it easier to remember what they do. Examples of command names include ls, cd, and grep. You can verify whether a command is valid using the which or type commands. Let's explore a few examples. Typing ls lists directory contents. pwd prints the working directory. mkdir makes a directory. arm removes files. cp copies files. Type ls checks the command type. Which grep finds the command location. Now let's focus on command options. Options modify the behavior of a command. They are optional, hence the name. Short options typically consist of a single dash followed by a single letter, such as L. Long options consist of a double dash followed by a word, such as all. You can combine short options together, such as la. Some options require values, such as n5 or count equals 5. Here's a table of common options. L or list provides a long format listing. I or all shows all files, including hidden ones. H or help displays help information. V or verbose shows detailed output. R or recursive processes directories recursively. F or forces an operation without confirmation. Now let's focus on command arguments. Arguments are the data that the command operates on. These can be file names, file paths, or text strings. Some commands require arguments, while others make them optional. The order of arguments can be important. For example, the command cpfile.txt backup / specifies a source and destination. The command rmrf/path /to/directory requires a directory path. The command grep isearchtermfile.txt requires a pattern and a file name. The command echo hello world includes a text string. The command find /homename star.txt uses a path and a pattern. Typically, arguments come after options, but some commands allow mixing them. It's important to know how to get help with commands. You can use the help option for a quick reference. The man command provides detailed manual pages. The info command offers comprehensive documentation. The whatis command gives one-line command descriptions. The apropos command searches commands by keyword. When in doubt, start with command help for the most common options. Let's look at some examples. Typing ls help displays usage information for the ls command. Typing man grep opens the manual page for grep. Typing whatis cp provides a brief description of the cp command. To summarize, commands follow a consistent structure of command name, options, and arguments. The command name specifies the action, options modify command behavior, and arguments provide data to operate on. Help is always available with help or man. The command structure is consistent across Linux distributions. Next, we'll explore file system navigation and manipulation commands. Some examples include the command ls/home/user, which lists all files in long format from a specified directory. The command find /home name star.txt searches for text files in the /home directory and subdirectories. The command grep iPatternFile.txt searches for a case-insensitive pattern in the specified file. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.